Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to weigh in on a rivalry that goes back decades. We're going to try Geno steaks versus Pat steaks. We're going to find out who makes it better. Let's go.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
So, that pepper cheesesteak with onion?
American or provolone?
Oh, whiz, please.
Whiz, pepper, whiz.
Finally, let's open this up. So let's take a look under the hood. You know, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. This cheesesteak wasn't good. Although the customer service and speed of service is great, the beef is lifeless and lacking, leaving the onions to overpower and dominate the sandwich. Maybe this sandwich will do it for some other people, but it doesn't work for me. Let's see if the rival is any better. Here we go! Hey, how you doing, sir? May I have a pepper steak with? Notice their beef is crumbled. Thank you, sir.
Perfect.
Hold up, cut the video, cut the music. This is what a cheesesteak is supposed to look like when you open it up. This is what it's supposed to taste like.
Perfect.
In this cheesesteak, the onions, the massive pile of juicy crumbled beef, and the cheese are perfectly married, with an amazing soft Italian bread as the side chick, soaking up the moist, cheesy runoff. Very clearly, Pat's has this by a landslide. Alright, it's time to go home. So I have a friendly challenge. If any of you are from Philly and wholeheartedly disagree with anything that I had to say here, please post a response video and put the link in the comments below. I'll be waiting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.